Hi, I'm Jason Stahl, and I'm here with Dan Reuter from U-POL. Today's video will be the first of a 4-part series which covers U-POL's premium line of aerosols.
Thanks, Jason. U-POL offers a full line of aerosols to complete a smart repair on metal, plastic, or fiberglass substrates. This saves time and money because now you won't need to use or clean your spray equipment. All of U-POL's premium aerosols feature special clog-free nozzles that give a spray gun-like finish to every job. And all the aerosols also comply with the 6H rule out of booth application, making them the perfect solution for smart repairs on multiple substrates.
Dan, this is super exciting. What are we going to be demonstrating today?
Today, I'm going to demonstrate how to perform a small repair on a metal hood using primarily 5 of our premium aerosols.
Wow, that sounds really cool. I can't wait to get started.
Great, let's go.
First, I'll wipe down our surface with wipe 6 to remove the surface contaminants like wax, grease, and silicones. Next, I'll apply acid number 8 over the repair area to ensure adhesion where the metal's been exposed. I'll allow a 3 to 5 minute flash time between my coats, and I'll allow 10 to 20 minutes for it to dry. Next, I'll prime the repair area with high 5. After priming, we'll spray Guide 7 guide coat to identify any of the low spots. Next, I'll sand with 500 grit sandpaper. Then I'll re-clean the surface with wipe 6. Now I'm ready to prepare my color. This is an example of our custom color machines. It's our Fill 1 pneumatic custom can machine, part number UP0854. This is one of our more popular machines because it works well with the standard compressor. Now I'm ready to apply the color. I'll shake the UP0851 Fill 1 can for 2 minutes to mix the product. I'll spray 1 to 2 coats at 4 to 6 inches from the surface. Now I'm ready to prepare for my clear. For this repair, I'll use our 4:1 UP2882 Universal Clear Coat and UP2323 Standard Hardener. I'll mix 4 parts of clear to 1 part hardener in a mixing cup, and then I'll pour the mixture into my 1.3 HVLP gun. Then I'll apply 2 coats of clear with a 75% overlap on the first coat and allow a 5 to 10 minute flash time in between coats.
Dan, thanks so much for that demonstration. Today we learned how to primarily repair a metal substrate with 5 key aerosols from U-POL. Dan, can you give us a quick summary of these aerosol products?
Of course, Jason, U-POL offers a comprehensive range of aerosols that allow you to perform a variety of repairs with small range of products. All aerosols feature a clog-free nozzle and deliver a spray gun-like finish to every job, which saves time and money associated with using and cleaning spray equipment, particularly if the repair area is small, as in today's demonstration.
Great, Dan. Thank you so much. Where can people find more information about these products?
Thanks, Jason, for having me today. You can find more out about U-POL products at u-pol.com.
I'm Jason Stahl. Thanks for watching.